बैक यार। कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? कैसे हो कमेंट में बताओ, कैसे हो बता दो। और आज हम करेंगे रिएक्टिंग टू सम रूबिक्स क्यूब इल्यूजन्स। और जैसा कि आप टाइटल में देख ही सकते हैं, वीडियो के नहीं, ये जो अभी ये आ रखा है स्क्रीन पे आपकी, उस पे this is by the one and only great Zach King. Yo. And Zach King, if you don't know Zach King, वैसे ये हो नहीं सकता अगर आपको नहीं पता. Zach King is a magician on YouTube. He just does magic, like super duper magic, amazing magic, and he has 10 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स. और मैं इनके चैनल का लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में पा दूंगा. इनके ये जो रूबिक क्यूब इल्यूजन्स की वीडियो है, इसका भी चैनल में लिंक पा दूंगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक पा दूंगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, there's Zach King riding a longboard.
So I've got a little Rubik's Cube illusion / puzzle set up for you here in the front room. I want you to be able to count how many Rubik's Cubes it takes to make up this structure in its entirety. And so give it a quick count the structure.
Okay, तो क्या करना है अभी देखो, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. हमें जो ये है ना स्ट्रक्चर, इस पे देखने कितने रूबिक्स क्यूब है. ये मैकबुक को छोड़ो, ये अमेज़न प्राइम को छोड़ो, इस पे फोकस करो. देखो 1 2 3 4 और ये 3 के नीचे और 3, मतलब 7 8 9 10 11 हो गए हैं. 11 क्यूब्स हैं.
Structure ones in the back as well. And if you need to pause the video at any point right now, you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I'm going to give you the solution. Ready for it? You guessed 11?
Yep.
Well, it's actually not 11, it's 12 because you got to count this one right here. So make sure you're
No, how is it possible?
carefully counting everything when you're looking at this illusion. So I've got a couple more Rubik's Cube themed illusions for you here in this video coming up. But just give you a little behind the scenes look at that last one. I didn't really show you that side profile, but it's
तो जो लास्ट मैजिक हुआ था, इन्होंने ये पेंट किया था.
But just give you a little behind the scenes look at that last one.
ये ऐसा पेंट किया था ताकि वो इल्यूजन अच्छे से दिखे. तो यप, दैट इज प्रीटी ऑब्वियस. इल्यूजन अच्छे से दिखना भाई जरूरी है, वैसे जरूरी है ही है. It's obvious.
So I didn't really show you that side profile, but it's half yellow, half red that I painted on this cube, and it just took a ton of time testing to get that correct. Here's some more illusions. This is a fun illusion because it's very simple. You can just fool your friends at home by drawing a little pencil shadow, resting your cube on the edge of a piece of paper there, and you've got a little fun floating cube illusion. Speaking of floating, have you ever wondered if they can float in water? Here we go. Hey, they float. But crazy, a solved one, if you put it in, yeah, it also floats. All right, this one's gonna happen real fast, but I want you to count up all the real cubes in this shot here. And
okay, तो ये जो शॉट है, इसमें हमें रियल क्यूब्स कितने हैं वो देखना है. तो सब रूबिक्स ब्रांड है. 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 cubes हैं.
And here we go. Pause if you need. And we've got 6 real cubes.
Boy, yo, my God, are you kidding me? सच्ची में कौन ऐसा प्रिंट करता है? मेरे को भी चाहिए ये. मेरे को भी चाहिए भाई, कितना अच्छा है. I will trick my friends.
Cubes here. This is one of the real ones. The rest are made out of paper. So you can see we've got 3 over here. We've got 3 real ones over there, so that's 6. And these 3 are printed on paper.
Wow, amazing. Checkerboard.
This next illusion focuses on colors and your mind's ability to stay focused on those colors. So don't...
Okay, तो ये जो next illusion है, ये कलर्स पे फोकस करता है और हमारी ब्रेन की एबिलिटी वो कलर्स को वो करने के लिए. क्या बोले, फिर से बोले.
This next illusion focuses on colors and your mind's ability to stay focused
तो हमारी माइंड की एबिलिटी उन कलर्स पे फोकस रहने को.
On those colors. So don't be upset if it doesn't work. It works on about 75% of people.
75%
This illusion is a photo setup and it's a little funky. You're going to see that I'm focusing my camera on a foreground object by lifting it several feet higher than the other objects in the background. And I mixed up the top cube for you so that you can focus on one of these colors, red.
Okay. तो ये जो चेकर बोर्ड वाला क्यूब है ये इन्होंने थोड़ी हाइट पे रखा है बाकी क्यूब से, और नीचे 6 7 8 9 10 11 क्यूब्स नीचे हैं, और हमें बस इस पे फोकस करना है, ये ऊपर वाले
They're orange. I'm going to show you a photo. I'm going to keep it up for about 10 seconds. I want you to focus on ideally the orange.
ओके, तो हमें क्यूब पे नहीं फोकस करना है, ये जो ऑरेंज है ना, ऑरेंज इन पे फोकस करना है। ओके, तो लेट्स
Some people work on the red center dot. For me, that doesn't. When I look at the 4 orange dots, the rest of the cubes start to fade away. If you need long.
ओके, तो ये रही पिक, अब इसमें से सिर्फ ये ऑरेंज पे ध्यान रखो। चलो मैं भी करता हूँ, आप भी करो। Yo ho, my god, this is so good.
Longer than 10 seconds, you can pause the video and just see if your eye can slowly fade out the other cubes. A lot of people have told me that suddenly half of them disappear.
Yeah, half of them disappeared. ये जो ये और ये जो 5 cubes हैं मेरे disappear हो गए.
The others, some people can get all of them to disappear.
जैसे ही आप blink करते हैं वो वापस आ जाते हैं.
And for me, they actually slowly blink on and off. Let me know down in the comments though what happened for you when you looked at this photo, even if it was nothing. Alright, so I want you guys to guess right now how many Rubik's Cubes I have here on the floor with me as I solve this last one. Done.
Okay, तो हमें काउंट करना है ये पूरे जहाँ ये फ्लोर पे कितने क्यूब्स हैं। तो 1 2 by 2 3 by 3 3 by 3 3 by 3 4 क्यूब्स हैं और jacking itself.
So if your answer is 4, Alexa, I didn't say anything.
Alexa बोल रही।
If your answer is 4, then you're sadly mistaken because there's 2.5. I have this one. I have this, but there's a reflection, and this one is a half. Let me show you the full situation here. You're looking at a mirror. You're looking at one cube here, second cube here.
क्या दिमाग चलता है इनका, क्या लेके आते हैं।
And our half is over here, but there it is. Boom, in a mirror. I love that. Looks like a 2 by 2.
What?
Hey, I've got one more illusion for you, but first, hey, give it a thought over if you want to.
ये वाला जो क्यूब है, ये वाला ये थोड़ा इंडिया का फ्लैग जैसा नहीं लग रहा, बट ये रेड को हटाओ, इधर ग्रीन लेके आओ और इधर ऑरेंज लेके आओ, इंडिया का फ्लैग बन जाएगा।
Subscribe, it's totally free, and I've got a ton more grand illusions coming out this summer, so I don't want you to miss them. And if you're looking for a summer read, my second magic book just came out. Links down below, zackingmagic.com. And for your final grand illusion. Hope you guys have a sweet day.
Yo. So guys, अभी ये खाएंगे, खा लो। Good. So guys, this was the video for today. Illusions, Rubik's Cube illusions. This channel is based on Rubik's Cube. I am a cuber. Goodbye. ऐसे बाय नहीं करेंगे हम बाय करेंगे अच्छे तरीके से। तो thank you guys for watching. This was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, फ्री है भाई, क्या जा रहा है। और शेयर कर दो, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दो, सब कुछ कर दो, बस डिसलाइक मत करना। यार क्या बोल रहे हो। चलो गाइस, बाय बाय।